Compact laundry is 24 inches in width and 24 inches depth, the exact dimensions as a standard kitchen cabinet, and can fit in most cabinets and closets, and is technically the best laundry you can buy for features despite its smaller size. In this video, you'll learn about the 3 best brands, with Miele being the best compact laundry for features you'll actually use, Bosch for the most reliable set, and Beko, a solid machine with the best availability for any compact laundry. With supply chain issues that I'm sure you're sick of hearing, compact laundry is amongst the hardest appliances to find. I have a feeling you'll have a hard time finding a set from most brands, but Beko, Bosch, and Miele are solid choices. You can find them in your area. These machines are profoundly different from every other manufacturer. Miele now has 4 washers and 3 dryers in their line. All are now smart, so you can see the time remaining in your phone through an app, receiving notifications when a cycle is finished or when you need to refill the detergent in the dispenser as well. Let's start with the dryer. If you're not venting and you're on an inside wall or spare room, you'll always want to start with the dryer. This is a 110-volt heat pump. Miele is the first with this technology, as every other major compact dryer is 220 volts. Typically 110-volt are offered in washer and dryer combinations or specialized brands. Simply put, they usually take a long time to dry if they work at all. Miele uses a heat pump for more efficient and faster drying, even in a 110 operation. Heat pumps are compressors, not heating elements. They use existing air and store it, so they're more efficient and don't project heat into the room like regular ventless laundry. Also, the washer has an incredibly fast 1600 RPM spin. The fast spin removes more moisture from the clothes, resulting in shorter drying times in the dryer. Lastly, Miele's dryers feature steam. Steam in the dryer refreshes the fabrics and removes the wrinkles. Need your favorite shirt for the night out? Place it in the steam setting on the dryer and it's ready to go. Your fine washables glide on the water and do not touch the sides during the wash on Miele's specially designed perforated honeycomb drum. It is the best machine for your gentle fabrics. The washer also features steam to loosen and power out tough stains like red wine and grass. Their twin-dose automatic dispenser is different as well. You can load up to 40 washers and dispensers and even turn it on remotely using the app. The machine will calculate the amount of clothes in the drum and dispense the optimal amount of detergent and bleach versus just detergent for every other brand. There's a cycle for every type of fabric with 25 cycles. Miele also offers several ways to provide the machine with detergent. Use the twin dose system and let the machine do all the thinking. You can put in your favorite detergent brand using the single dose tray. Having a specific load like sportswear that needs that quick clean, Miele offers specially formulated detergent through their cap dose system. However, it's still the most expensive at $4,198. The more basic Miele wash and dryer still has many of their best features with their honeycomb drum to wash silks and other fine washables. You also have their caplet dispenser and 1600 RPM to pre-dry your clothes as well, and steam to power out stains. So they really upgrade this machine from last year and even included Wi-Fi. What it lacks from their best machine is the intense wash, the automatic dispenser, and it is 11 cycles versus 25 in their best machine. You do lose some cycles and steam in the dryer. Bosch, like Miele, is another German company. They've always been the most popular suppliers of compact laundry. Machines are built solidly, offer better sound insulation, and are reliable for parts and service. They're one of the most reliable appliances at just 2.1% repair in the first year, compared to 5.6% for compact laundry in general, and 9.5% for appliances as the whole category. Their compact laundry lineup has 3 washer and dryer models with unique features. The dryers are condenser or ventless dryers only. Compared to other options, they're the quietest at 52 decibels. With the best Bosch compact laundry, you can pick the water temperature for your wash cycles. I don't mean just hot, warm, and cold, but 60, 90, 105, and 140 degrees. You can also choose your cycle based on the stain. Bosch is the only manufacturer with speed cycles in both their washer and dryers at 15 minutes each in their highest end 800 series. It's a proven brand with a long history of manufacturing compact washers and dryers. Bosch offers many unique features such as fast wash, stain selection, and quietness. It is also the most reliable. Availability will be especially tough for Bosch until at least 2023. Beko is a huge Turkish manufacturer, and Beko is one of the only vented dryers in compact laundry, so you can replace an existing vented dryer. Beko has a unique depth of 22 inches versus most 24 inches for compact laundry units. Tight spaces, sometimes the depth can make an enormous difference. Beko laundry has an automatic controls as well. Depending on preference and load types, your machine can adjust to customized wash and dry cycles. And Beko is a likable company. They're committed to green technology. They also have been marketing heat pump technology in the US longer than any other brand. Beko also made it on our most reliable brand list as well. These figures above are based on a minimum of 150 compact washers sold and a total sample size of over 1,700 units. The average repair rate for compact washers is 5.6% repaired within the first year of ownership. Bosch is the most reliable at just 2.1%, but Beko and even the higher-end Miele's were better than the average appliance rate of 9.5%. First, you should be aware of where your laundry will be situated in your home. Are you venting, or will it be in a ventless location like an inside wall, closet, or kitchen space? When comparing these brands, Beko will be the least expensive. They're also great for tight areas, and the dryer can be vented to the outside. The heat pump is worth consideration as well because it doesn't project heat and is more efficient. Bosch is quiet, reliable, and has some unique features like speed and washing by stain and temperature. Miele is the best, with an almost revolutionary design of heat pump technology at just 110 volts, plus their automatic dispenser, honeycomb drum, and 1600 RPM spin speed. To learn more about the best compact laundry brands and features to consider, click the link in the description to download our free compact laundry buying guide. Thanks for watching.